distinguished guests, and friends from the industry. We at Wave Group have three large real estate ongoing projects. There is a township development happening at Mohali. This is about 300 acres. There is Wave City Center at Sector 32, Noida, which is a mixed land use development. And then there is about 4,000 acres of development happening at NH24, which we call at Wave City. This is a city which we are developing as a smart city. So since morning, we've been deliberating on urban innovation and the smart cities. So friends, this large greenfield project is being developed as a smart city at Ghaziabad, where the focus is primarily on environment conservation. As each one of you know, that real estate is passing through a little bad time, but still the company has taken a call to keep investing in the smart city solutions, which is giving us some silver lining, which is showing some light at the end of the tunnel, because most of the investors, buyers, and the people who have started staying in this city and started appreciating the various innovative solutions which have been provided to them. We have an in-house team which is handling the smart city innovations, and I have with me my Chief Technology Officer, CTO, Mr. Sapolia, who would quickly take you through the various initiatives which we have undertaken at Wave City. So, Mr. Sapolia, please carry on.
Good afternoon, everyone. A lot of people talk about smart cities, but what is smart cities? As per Wave, there is no universally accepted definition of a smart city. It means different things to different peoples. The conceptualization of smart city, therefore, varies from city to city and country to country, depending on the level of development, willingness to change, and reform, resources, and aspiration of the city residents. The actual definition is different from what it is quoted everywhere. We talk about IoTs, data storage, analytics, artificial intelligence. It is something which is in need of everyone. The need of smart city can be summarized as adequate water supply, assured electricity supply, sanitation including solid waste management, efficient urban mobility and public transport, affordable housing, especially for poor. Robust IT connectivity, yes. For smartness, you need to have a robust IT also. Good governance, sustainable environment, safety and security of the citizens, health and education. The foundation of a smart city should be laid on the green principles of 3P. Everybody knows about it: people, prosperity, and planet. And 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. In today's time, in development of a smart city, the emphasis is mainly on the following categories of services. At Wave, we too are following the same, but the way we do is different. Like smart lighting, smart energy management, smart water management, smart grid, smart waste management, smart security, smart community, smart mobility. At Wave, we have been implementing these services with joint efforts of our in-house team, members, and third-party system integrators. Here we differ from other because whenever we plan to implement any service, our first step is that we first do our basic engineering, then conceptualize the system, create the design, then innovate our trusted third-party system integrator. This process brings uniqueness in the system, reduce the CapEx as well as OpEx, and after installation, and this in turn is a saving to the company as well as community. We have executed such many products. Now we talk about smart lighting. Nowadays, street lighting, almost 30 to 40% power is being consumed in the street lighting. We have divided street lighting into two sections. One is the main roads, and the other one is the gated inside the gated communities. For main roads, we have used dimmable lights. We dim the lights when those lights are not being used. As soon as any vehicle enters into it, the lights illuminates on 100% luminosity, and as soon as it passes through it, it dims down to 50%. The entire design has been created by our own team, and we have been applied for patent also. We haven't used any technology in it, only small PLCs and no smart lighting, no any other device. And for gated communities, it will be a surprise to, I think, we were just exploring smart meters. We have, everybody knows about smart meters. When it came to me, I studied it. I said, why can't we use these smart meters in the street light automation? And we are using smart meters for street light automations, which gives us power consumption as well as switches on and switch off lights through LDR, light dependent resistance. We don't use any microcontroller communication module for each pole light, and neither does it use any third-party cloud-based service which incurs heavy recurring and subscription cost on account of using cloud services for maintaining street lights dead. We have targeted on keeping the capex on a lower end without increasing the OPEX and keeping the recurring cost almost negligible by designing and developing our in-house system. The system is programmed in Wonderware that will be integrated into integrated central command control center and monitored and then analyzed. Since being a city, we have a lot of feeder pillars also. With smart meter itself, we have designed our feeder pillars in a way that in case if somebody opens the gate of the feeder pillar, we get an alert in our central command station, which avoids any pilferage or sabotage to our feeder pillars. Advantages: ultra low cost, minimal maintenance cost, major focus on energy conservation. This system control has been designed in a way that if someone tries to open it, as I said earlier, the panel with an intention to steal any component, an alert shall be triggered to a central command station for immediate action. This automation does not require any intervention, human intervention. It is a saving in manpower cost and eliminates the human intervention in it. This is some of the snapshot of our Wonderware which has been created by us. We calculated ROI also for, it is almost 6 months for one stretch of the street lights. Main road street light automation, we have step dimming control I have talked about. The system advantages: minimal cost solution, in-house design and development. I don't have to repeat it again. Again, in this also, we have calculated the ROI in 17 months only, where we have used 220 watts LED lights for main road. Then we create our own MAS for this. We don't ask any experts to create, any MIS for our analysis. We do it in-house. Then smart metering. Everybody knows about smart meters. Nowadays, every builder is using smart meter. But we are integrating our smart meters with Wonderware for analysis. And the whole data is recovered from the meters is being analyzed for further solutions, and it gives an alerts also because we do capping also. The system designed, we do minimum and maximum capping in the meters. In case if it goes down, then we check. If it goes above that, then we also check on that. Then we say water management. Everybody is doing, water automation, underground overhead tanks automation. But We are doing automation as well as we are putting mag flow meters in the inlet and outlet of the water supply. So we have created an MIS in case if any leakage happens, because we have done a capping, we know that how much water has been consumed in every hour. So in case between 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning, the water is required to be 100 KLD, and it increases to 200 KLD, it gives an alert that our engineering team goes there and check why it is happening, and this detects the leakage also. This is some sort of, that pump house automation MIS which we have created. Then PLC-based smart irrigation. We have done some pilots also for this. This PLC-based automation works on moisture sensors. Whenever there is a need of water, I do not want to talk about the design of this, the principle of this. We are using moisture sensors for irrigation in the parks, in the medians, and we maintain moisture required for different plants. When smart grid, everybody knows about smart grid. But smart grid, we have to analyze what data we get from there. We do analyze and see where are the losses and try to reduce the losses to the minimal. This is one of the MIS what we have created for the substation. Then waste management. Everybody, it is compulsory to do sewage treatment, organic waste converter. But we are in the process of installing smart STPs, which gives us information, how much water is coming in, how much water is going on, what is the quality of the water. This is our future plan, and we will implement this in our system. And same in case of organic waste converter also. It is installed in an isolated place, but we will integrate with our central command station, which gives us information whether it is working or not working. We have a future plan of waste energy also. Waste from landfill can be used to generate thermal energy. Everybody knows about it, which is in the process of generating energy in the form of electricity and or heat from to generate thermal energy. We are planning to have such plant in the future when the city population increases considerably so that the minimum waste is available to operate the plant. Then security management. Everybody install CCTV cameras. The homeland security and surveillance night vision cameras are installed in our city at various locations and are integrated into our central command station. We have planned later us to use analytics so that the system can be enhanced to be used for face recognition and can be helpful for nabbing criminals. This is our future plan. Then we talk about gate entry control. It is universal, everybody knows about it. Smart community. When we say smart community, we are using a wave app which has been created by us. That is, generally if everybody is using it, complaint management, utility bill payment, event management, notices, gate pass, integration of smart services like parking management, gate entry control system, etc. A future plan is we will add these following services like advertising model, eHealth care, panic buttons for emergency support and home crime, disability support, emergency response, city bus information, parking information, automation bus service, bus fare collection, etc. These are so many. Then we talk about urban mobility. This technology includes vehicle tracking, variable message signs, boards, ANPR system and CCTV as a basic system. This is useful as it eases out the commuting of residents and parallelly helps the city management to track all commuters or for enhanced security. When we say smart traffic management, the system is designed in a way that the traffic lights at every intersection talks with each other. And based on the traffic volume on any side of the road, the green and red lights timings are increased or decreased to maintain smooth flow of traffic. The other way to implement the system using CCTV with built-in analytics. Thank you.